Hello, hello.
Welcome back to my channel.
I'm dipping down for it.
Right, I'm like, hey guys. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I have a guest in the building. I got my best friend Jacob in the building, and
Been turning up all day.
Literally, we are doing an Ego shoes unboxing and a try on haul, and he is going to be rating these shoes.
Giving my best advice and my best ratings.
So,
best you can get.
I picked up 4 pairs of shoes, and you guys are gonna see them in the next clips. But I love shopping with Ego, and you guys always ask questions about them. I think I had another unboxing haul for the summer. Was that last year? I think that was last year, but that video did really well. So here we are again, Ego shoes unboxing. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see these shoes, then just keep on watching.
Because they are cute.
Right.
They are cute.
Get into her. Get into her.
Oh.
Shop Fire and Desire Hookah people.
You might have to do some edit work.
Feel okay with that right there?
Yeah.
Great. Okay, y'all. So look, this is my package from Ego, and the wrapping is ghetto. But as long as everything's safe on the inside, I don't really care. So I just wanted to show y'all that before I cut into it, because, you know, I don't want y'all to be shook when y'all get y'all package in the mail and it looks like a trash bag. It looks like a really big poly mailer, you know? I don't know. They just like have it all taped up and stuff.
But I mean, I guess the shoes are shipping in the shoe box with the packaging in it too, so.
Yeah, so that's
you just gotta be okay with maybe the shoe box itself getting a little thing out.
Yes, that's one thing that I do say. Sometimes the boxes are a little bent when you get them, but as long as the shoes are okay, I'm good. So as you can see, this is what we're looking like right here. We got a little bending going on, but it's okay. All right, so which pair? I got 4 pairs. 2 of them are the same, they're just different colors. And then 2 other styles. So what's the first one? Sophia. It's just like, that's cool, right? You know, this package came super quick, you guys. A lot of people always wonder about Ego, like, are they gonna ship, like, is it gonna take a month for you to get your order? I got them really fast. Oh my God. Look at them.
Yeah,
come
that's
on.
Cute.
Come on, camera, do me right. Right? All right, now let's see. I'm gonna put them on. I'm about to have a whole mountain of trash over here.
Oh my God, there's no zipper on that? You gotta really slide it in?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like,
I mean, but it definitely helps the style though, because a zipper would have changed up everything.
yeah, it would have been ugly if there was a zipper in the back.
So I appreciate that. You know, no pain, no gain. Because you're gonna really have to slide in that.
Let's see. See if I can just get my... Let's see if I can just get... Oh, that wasn't bad.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, baby, I'm gonna need some balance for this.
Ooh, girl. Yeah, okay, she gonna sit for that one. We're gonna sit for that one.
Too lit for this, y'all. Too lit. Let me come over here. Can y'all even see me way back here? Look.
Girl, you're gonna have to prop it up on the table or something.
Ah.
I mean, it's definitely like a 9 out of 10 for me. It truly is. And I only say the 9 out of 10 because I'd like the seam in the back would have been acceptable, but the seam in the front, I don't know if that's a stylistic choice or if they had no choice. Because that's really a minor detail, but that's why it's a 9 out of 10. It's a cute shoe for sure. I like the fact, I was kind of worried that this might be too loose, but you slid in easily and it's still tight around your leg. I like it. He likes it.
He likes it. Okay, period. So I got these in nude, and then I got them in red as well. These are the red.
Honestly, me do my dance.
Wow.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, bitch. We're just gonna give her a 10 out of 10.
Ah, 10 out of 10.
I like it. I mean, for the same reasons, the seam is in the front, but it's less noticeable with the red. Personally, I almost still want to get a 9 though, because I'm starting to realize the side seam is very noticeable. I just wanted to blend so, you know how those heels, that style, you know, where they basically just wanted the heel to look like a big sock was over it. That's what I feel like that's going for.
Sock boots.
Yeah, sock boots, whatever you want to call them. That's very cute though. I like it. I feel like it was done the best way it could be done.
Oh Jesus! Okay, this one I'm trying to get my foot in here now. We having a little issue down here.
It's not the same size.
Oh, there we go.
So yeah, we need to see them styled with that outfit because the nude automatically is going to freak off. It's going off. They're both going off though.
I'm feeling the red because you know I'm always trying to have a basic outfit with a pop. Like if you let your shoe be the statement. I'm gonna be coming from the floor for most of this video. Okay, here we go. This is the signature pose right now. Ooh, hello.
Yeah, it definitely pops.
It's me. Let me back up a little bit.
Really, they're just on pictures and inserted pictures at this point. So you don't have to try them all on again. Oh wow, we're popping out the dress tonight.
Popping out of my damn dress. Lord have mercy.
Do your thing.
I love this. Ah! Ooh. Yes, ma'am. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Got a little snake skin moment. A little snake skin. Ooh.
Oh, bitch. I mean, oh, girl.
I'm keeping all of it in. I'm keeping it all in. I'm keeping all the words. Oh.
We're going with the girl.
Mary J. Blige.
Yeah, Mary J. Boots, okay?
Wait.
Miss Mary is stepping out. Come on.
I did not know they were going to be this tall. That's crazy.
What shoe size you wear? I could probably fit those.
You are killing me. Oh, and this one has a zipper down the side. So, yeah. I'm feeling this.
Girl, you're not going to unzip hers?
Hold on, because it's got the little stuff in here.
It just came from the side.
Trying to get it out. Okay. Jesus. Where am I going?
You're not going to sit for this one?
I'm going to go to the couch.
Oh, okay.
So that.
I was going to say the top thing.
So that, you know. Ooh, baby girls and baby boys. You gotta have slim thighs for these. Ooh, this is so cute.
It is.
Wow. Make sure it's zipped all the way up.
Yeah, bitch, that fits you perfect. Yeah.
Okay, I am excited.
I mean, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm already gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay. Ooh.
Are they comfortable?
Actually, yes.
Oh.
Actually, they are. Trying to make sure I'm not showing y'all any nip slips.
Oh.
I don't want to show any nip slips.
Look at that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Period.
Where am I going? Where am I going?
Girl. I mean, the hookah is hitting. The hookah's hitting. Okay, baby, it's there. Did
you want me to cut that part out, or can I keep that part in? Can I keep that part in?
You can keep it, I guess.
Keep that part in?
Dying. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Slides, little digression. Everyone go watch, rewatch. Tiger King, what's that one? Carol Baskin. Let me tell you something. There's this one scene, and I know everybody knows what I'm talking about, where they're interviewing this man, and he's smoking this little e-vape, and he started choking on the e-vape, and they did not cut it out the documentary. And I know they did that because they were bullying that man, because I would bully him for that, for real. Believe me, then. No, you did not just try to smoke on this interview and start the coughing. That's good. This is gonna be on Netflix. This is on Netflix. What's wrong with you? Oh, girl. But yeah, those are a 10 out of 10. We're going to the dancery today, okay? I need to get me some cute boots. I didn't even realize the stuff on the back has a little cross stitch on the back going on. Love to see it. Love it.
I am here for these. These were the most expensive ones that I picked up, I think, but definitely worth it. And I wanted something really, just a huge statement in my collection right now because I'm just not, you know, I'm not feeling.
As if you don't have enough statement pieces, girl.
You know, we gotta out with the old, in with the new, you know what I'm saying? So 10 out of 10 would recommend, and they're not super high, like they're comfortable. The heel is thick on them. Yeah, I recommend them. All right, last pair. Okay, I'm hoping that these are not going to be underwhelming. So these are some thigh-high black ones that don't have a heel on it. Let's get into her. So they're like the, what do you call this kind of boot? I don't know. I'm nervous now because is my leg gonna fit in here? Oh, they're a little stretchy. They're a tad stretchy. This part is really shiny. I didn't know it was gonna be like that shiny.
I personally really like them.
I think they're cute though.
If you don't like them, let me see if I fit.
I'm screaming.
No, I would eat that boot up. Are you crazy?
No, I didn't say I didn't like them. I just didn't know it was gonna be that shiny. But hey, shiny, 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 shiny,
Shit.
shiny, yeah. I love this winning.
When I tell you I would have a cute little schoolboy outfit going on with them boots though, you wouldn't be able to tell me nothing, okay?
Period.
I mean, they're definitely all giving 9 and 10,
Oh,
to be honest.
now getting them off, you might need help.
Yeah, shit, you're gonna have to rate the actual wear, girl, but
Okay.
the looks are giving.
There we go. Trying to get my foot in this. Chat.
Oh, well, now wait a minute.
Hold on. Child, good luck with these.
Yeah, those are not going on, girl.
I'm sweating. Whew, these is really giving me a little workout, y'all.
Yeah, I think I have my rating on them, to be honest. They're definitely very cute, but they're giving...
I'm sweating trying to put them on. I don't want to sweat before I get out the house to get my outfit on. But we did just film, so maybe I didn't let myself cool down enough before I started doing all this. But...
No, that's a hassle.
oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm gonna tell y'all now before she get back on camera, it's an 8 out of 10. And let me tell you, well, I'll tell you when she get back on camera, but it's an 8 out of 10. Very cute. You could like accomplish the same style a different way.
Okay. I made it. I made it back into the building, people. I think they're so cute though, but like, yo, I literally just...
So cute is not stunning. Stunning next to so cute gets devoured, okay?
Listen, if you got 20 minutes to get your shoes on.
If you don't just have high black socks with a black boot.
If your calves are any bigger than mine,
It's a no.
it's a no. And they're already tight, like this part right here is tight. So it's just, listen, it ain't gonna work. I feel like my wig is sliding back right now from me trying to put this shoe on.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. That's why it's getting in the air. I do think they're cute though. They definitely are. Yeah. They're just, I want to put those on first.
I should have put these on, I didn't know.
And then go with the other ones. But that's the whole joy of unboxing. You never know what you get first and last, okay? That should have been last. Oh, I mean first. Whatever.
Well, that's it.
Though. This is a cute company. They have some cute stock and cute shoes and whatnot.
Well, 4 pair of shoes from Ego, fast shipping, affordable prices. I got everything when it was 50% off. I feel like they're always doing a sale of some sort. So yeah, check them out. Highly recommend. Just be careful, okay, with the thigh highs. The snakeskins are definitely my favorite out of the whole haul. The snakeskins won for me. I love the stock boots. I feel like that's like a quick, easy thing that you can throw on if you just
You're talking about those or those?
Those.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say, girl, you said quick.
Oh no, not these, not these. I'm talking about the nude and the red. Cause those remind me of like those traditional sock boots, like how they were when they were popping, you know, the sock boot. I wouldn't recommend them, but they're cute and I am going to be styling them, so.
Yeah, that's definitely a cute fall and winter look.
I'm like, I have them, so might as well, but let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know which one was your favorite. I think me and Jacob are in agreement right now, so.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Follow Jacob. I'll have his Instagram link down below. You're actually a really nice rater, because some people I feel like would be like, no, no.
I mean, they were really cute. Plus, I'm not gonna talk bad about nobody's business unless I have some constructive criticism. And the only thing I had was the seam on the nude shoe. But I truly feel like that was just unavoidable based off of how they're made. You see what I mean? Yeah. But that's also still well done with what they had. Still a 9 out of 10. Shit, the nudes are still giving it to me more than those. Right. But yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. All right. Well, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.